So here in this particular thing, this is the thing you have to do. And then you have three words, three conjunctions. You are because as we know, und, aber, and oder. So und is and, oder is or, and aber is but. So you know the meaning of these words. Sir, this is nothing new. जैसे हम पहली बार but or का use. Everything is something that you already know. So now I'll just let it on you first that how do you make the sentence with which you have got two sentences here, and you have to correct or you have to join these two sentences with either und, oder, or aber. Remember, I just told you the meaning of these three things. Und means and, oder means or, a choice, and aber is but. For example, I'll just give you a simple example with the three of this. I like to play and I like to sing. So I am using and. Ich spiele gern und ich singe auch gern. So here I'm connecting both the sentences with und because both of the sentences I'm liking. I'm liking it. Now the second sentence. I like to sing or I like to play. Ich singe gern oder ich arbeite gern. Sorry, ich singe gern oder ich spiele gern. Now here I'm saying oder. That means I like to sing or like out of the two activities, either I will do this or I will do that. So that is oder. Next is aber. So I'm saying ich spiele gern, aber nur am Wochenende. So this is a limitation that I like to play, but my limitation is, my restriction is what? Only am weekend. So I'm using I like to play, but only am weekend. That means only in the weekends. So this is how I gave you the example of und, oder, and aber. Now, based on your own understanding, there are 6 sentences given here. One sentence, two sentences. You need to connect these both sentences using the correct connector. It will be und or oder or aber. Let's see the first one. Die Firma ist klein. The office is small. Es ist immer viel los. There is a lot to do. So, how do you connect the sentence with und, aber, oder, oder? Und, aber, oder? What's denken Sie?
Aber.
Yeah, the Firma ist klein. The company is small, but es ist immer viel los. Very good. So, based on your understanding, do it. And then when you will do it, if you can arrange the article, like if you can arrange the correctly, then I can tell you something more about it, like the position of the verbs, but this is a secondary thing. Just try to understand the meaning of the sentences and try to pick up the correct conjunction here. Do it and then we can discuss. Is it done or noch nicht gemacht?
Gemacht.
Okay, super. So, Samriddhi, Nummer 2, bitte.
Die Kollegen sind nett und sie sind lustig.
Die Kollegen sind nett und sie sind lustig. Okay, sehr gut. Nummer 3, Revati.
Laura tinkert mit Kollegen काफी. Sie mag Arlene pause. The answer is aber.
So, how do you connect both the sentences?
Laura tinkert mit Kollegen काफी. Aber sie wants Arlene pause.
But how is it making sense? Sana, what is your answer here?
My answer is order.
Yeah. Revati, aber is like when you do something but with a restriction. Like, here it's written, Laura drinks with Kollegen Cafe. She drinks with the Kollegen Cafe. Oder, or she marked a line pausa, or she takes alone break. So either she drinks coffee or she takes, or she takes pausa. It's not that she drinks coffee, but she takes pausa. Doesn't make sense. Either she drinks coffee or she takes pausa. So that the correct answer is oder. Rishtish, understood?
Yes.
Okay, Nummer 4, Sana.
Yes, ma'am. Mittags ist sie ein Sandwich und trinkt Apfelschorle.
Oder sie trinkt Apfelschorle. Okay, sehr gut. Nummer 5 nochmal Samriddhi.
Am Abend lernt Laura Deutsch. Oder sie trifft Freunde aus Spanien.
Sehr gut. Am Abend lernt Laura Deutsch oder sie trifft Freunde aus Japan, Spanien. Okay. Dann Nummer 6 nochmals Revati.
Adnan geht heute früh, aber morgen bleibt er lang.
Richtig. Adnan geht heute früh, aber morgen bleibt er lang. Aha, richtig. Sehr gut. So you have everybody has written aber for the 6th number.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So that means I don't see a problem here. It was a very small exercise on this and we don't have anything other here. Yeah. So now you can take a break here. When you will be coming back, then we can proceed ahead with it and we will be learning the first preposition in German, that is the adaptive preposition, and how we're going to use it in sentence. That's we're going to learn here in the next topic. So bitte, jetzt nehmen Sie 10 Minuten Pause und dann kommen Sie hier zurück nach 10 Minuten und dann gehen wir weiter mit Präposition mit. Yeah, so 10 minutes pause, break.